Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new Philips Hue Smart Button 2025 edition, setting it up in the Hue app and comparing it side by side with the original Hue Smart Button to help you decide if this upgrade is worth it. Alright, let's take a look at the packaging first. If you've bought any Hue products before, you'll recognize this styling immediately. That classic grey box with the Hue branding. The front shows the smart button with its new design. Inside the box, you'll find the smart button itself, which now has a larger, more angular design compared to the small rounded on the original. You also get a small metal mounting plate with adhesive on the back, so you can stick it on a wall or use the magnet on button itself to attach it to metal surfaces. Plus the usual quick start guide and warranty information. The new smart button is still round and white with the subtle Hue logo in the middle, but it's noticeably larger than the first generation. Diameter has increased from about 3.2 centimeters on V1 to roughly 4.5 centimeters on this version, while thickness is around 1.3 centimeters, making it a bit flatter but more substantial in the hand. The edges are more angular, which gives it a cleaner, more modern look that matches recent Hue products. There's a pre-installed CR2032 battery, rated for around 2 years of typical use, or about 50,000 clicks. To use this button to its full potential, you need a Philips Hue bridge, because it connects via Zigbee and can then be exposed to platforms like Apple Home or other Matter-compatible systems through the bridge. Make sure your bridge and Hue app are up to date before you start, so the app recognizes this newer generation button. Open up the Philips Hue app on your phone. Tap on Settings in the bottom navigation, then tap Devices. Then tap the blue plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Now, select the room where you want to add the button to. The easiest way to add the button is to scan the QR code on the back of the button. Point your camera at it, and the app will automatically detect the smart button. For the purpose of the demo, I will proceed with no QR code option. Tap no QR code and then tap Next. Now scroll down and tap Smart Button option. Now tap on Smart Button version 2 option. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to put the button in pairing mode. The LED will start blinking orange on button. Then tap Next. The app will search for nearby accessories. Once detected, the app will ask you, do you want to set up in Philips Hue app or another app like HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Home? In this case, I will set up with Hue app. Tap Control Lights to set up on Philips Hue app. Now select the single light or multiple lights to control with the button. I will select Hue Play to be controlled with this button. After selection, tap Next. Hue app will automatically allocate zone based on light you selected. Then tap Next. You are all set. Here you can customize this behavior. Choose which scenes it cycles through and define what a long press does, such as dim down to a nightlight level or brighten to full. By default, a single press will turn lights on to a default scene and then cycle through scenes with repeated presses, while a long press is used for dimming or brightening. Quick mention here, through the Hue bridge, the button can be exposed to Apple Home and other Matter-compatible platforms, though in some ecosystems, you may only get single press actions. If you're deeply invested in HomeKit automations, keep in mind that more advanced options like long press dimming might still be limited to the Hue app itself. Let's put the new smart button next to the original V1 and see what's changed, and more importantly, whether you should upgrade. The original smart button from 2019 was compact and subtle. At about 32 millimeters in diameter and 14 millimeters thick, it was small enough to be really discreet. The new version at 45 millimeters diameter is noticeably larger, about 40% bigger in diameter. It's also flatter at 13 millimeters thick. Whether you prefer the new size is really personal preference. Some people will love that it's easier to spot and press, while others might prefer the more compact original. The original had a soft, rubbery silicone button that some people loved for its tactile feel. The downside? It could get dirty and was a bit tricky to clean. The new button has a refined finish. The press feels more consistent across the entire surface. Even if you hit the edge, it still registers properly. That was actually a common complaint with the original. This is one area where the original actually had an advantage. It came with both a large wall plate that could replace a standard light switch cover and the mini magnetic mount. The new version only includes the mini magnetic mount. If you really wanted that light switch form factor, you might be disappointed. That said, let me know in the comment section which option do you prefer. So, should you buy the new Philips Hue Smart Button? If you're buying your first smart button, go for the new version. The improved design, better button feel, and easier battery access make it the obvious choice. If you already have the original, there's really no compelling reason to upgrade unless you specifically want the new design. The functionality is identical. If you want more control options, consider the Hue tap dial switch instead. It has 4 programmable buttons plus a rotation dial for dimming, and it's available in black. Yes, it costs more, but you get significantly more functionality. The smart button remains the simplest and most affordable physical control option in the Hue ecosystem. It's perfect for bedside tables, entryways, or anywhere you want quick, one-touch light control without reaching for your phone. And that's the new Philips Hue Smart Button. I hope this unboxing, setup guide, and comparison helped you decide if it's right for your smart home setup. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more smart home content. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you picking up the new smart button, or are you happy with the original? Or maybe your team tap dial? Check out the links in the description for where to buy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.